In case of vitamin D, how to convert 25 microgram to IU, that is international unit. So we can rewrite this. This is the given information. We can rewrite it like just I am rewriting it. Then instead of 1, we can either write this conversion factor or this conversion factor. This or this conversion factor has come from this conversion equation, 1 microgram equal to 40 IU. Look here, our target is to cancel this microgram, so microgram will come here. Okay, so we have to select this conversion equation, 1 microgram then 40 IU, then cancel this microgram, so we are getting 25 times 40 IU. So just multiply 4 times 25, 4. 4 times 5, 20, write 0, carry 2, 4 times 2, 8, 10. Add this 0. That is 1000 international unit. So 25 microgram is equal to 1000 international unit vitamin D.